Hi, I'm Letitia Borti, and today we're going to be learning about assonance. So, what even is assonance? So, it's when two or more words close to one another repeat the same vowel sound, but start with different consonant sounds. So, this is what distinguishes it from alliteration. So, an example would be go and mow the lawn. And so, some common functions of assonance would be it's used as a tool to enhance musical effect. It creates like this nice internal rhyme, and it also helps to develop a particular mood. So overall, this just enhances the pleasure of the piece. So our first example is Do Not Go Gentle into the Good Night by Dylan Thomas. So, old age should burn and rave at close of day. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Grave men near death who see with blinding sight. Blind eyes could blaze like meteors and be gay. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. So this poem uses assonance in the lines above to slow down the pace of the poem, and that basically creates this like very somber mood because like obviously the subject of this poem is death. So the second example is Early Moon by Carl Sandburg, and it says, poetry is old, ancient, goes back far. It is among the oldest of living things, so old that that no man knows how and why the first poems came. So they have this continuation of the long vowel O sound, and that helps to emphasize the idea of something being old and mysterious. So basically what the authors are doing is they're trying to use these different, like the different lengths of these vowels to further hit home their point of the poem. So, how do I remember assonance, you may ask? Well, you can do it through a silly sentence, which, I mean, isn't really silly, but okay. A chant with assonance makes my heart dance. Or, I know it's like very helpful if you refer to like pop culture for references. So here's one from Diamonds by Rihanna, and it's the line, shine bright like a diamond. So you can either think of that or think of my weird sentence. Yeah, thanks for listening to me.